Welcome to the day 1 of Chronology videos on only English literature. The first writer or poet comes into the chronology is Edmund Spenser, 1552 to 1599. The Shepherd's Calendar 1579, The Fairy Queen 1590, Amority and Epithalamion 1595. Sir Philip Sidney 1554 to 1586. Arcadia 1577, Astrophel and Stella 1591, The Defense of Poesy 1595. Francis Bacon, a philosopher and essayist 1561 to 1626. His works are Advancement of Learning 1605, De Sapientia Veterum, The Wisdom of the Ancients 1609, Instauratio Magna, Great Instauration 1620, Novum Organum, New Instrument 1620, The New Atlantis 1626. John Lydie 1558 to 1603. His major works are Euphues, The Anatomy of Wit 1578, Euphues and His England 1580. Next up is Christopher Marlowe 1564 to 1593. His major works are Tamburlaine Part 1 1587, Part 2 1587, Dr. Faustus 1588, The Jew of Malta 1589, The Massacre at Paris 1589, Edward II 1592. Now comes the great grand dramatist of Elizabethan age. You know who he is? William Shakespeare, 1564 to 1616. His major works are Love's Labour Lost between 1588 and 1597, Henry VI Part 1 1589, Titus Andronicus 1589, The Comedy of Errors 1589, Henry VI Part 2 1590 to 92, Henry VI Part 3 1590 to 93, The Taming of the Shrew somewhere between 1590 to 94, Two Gentlemen of Verona, probably between 1590 to 1594, Richard III 1592 to 94, Romeo and Juliet 1594, Richard II 1595, Midsummer's Night's Dream 1595, The Merchant of Venice 1596, Henry IV Part 1 1596, Henry IV Part 2 1597, The Merry Wives of Windsor between 1597 and 1601, Much Ado About Nothing, probably between 1598 to 99, As You Like It 1598 to 1600, Henry V 1599, Julius Caesar first produced in the year 1599, Hamlet 1599, Twelfth Night 1600, Troilus and Cressida 1601, All's Well That Ends Well 1601, Measure for Measure 1603, Othello 1603, King Lear 1605, Timon of Athens 1605, Macbeth 1606, Antony and Cleopatra 1606, Pericles 1606, Coriolanus 1608, Cymbeline 1608, The Winter's Tale 1609, The Tempest 1611, The Two Noble Kinsmen between 1612 to 1614, Henry VIII first produced in the year 1613. Now the writer is Ben Jonson, 1572 to 1637. His major works are Every Man in His Humour 1598, Every Man Out of His Humour 1599, Cynthia's Revels 1600, The Poetaster 1601, Sejanus 1603, The Mask of Blackness 1605, Volpone 1605, Epicene or the Silent Woman 1609, The Alchemist 1610, Catiline 1611, Bartholomew Fair 1614, Timber or Discoveries 1641. Hope you will find this helpful for your upcoming exams, and don't forget to connect to us on our WhatsApp channel for the PDF.